Microsoft OneDrive. How to delete files and free up storage space. Microsoft OneDrive is a popular cloud storage service where any user can store and access files from anywhere. However, managing storage space sometimes is a problematic task. GadInsider has come to help you out with this. Here are the ways through which deleting files using several methods is done on OneDrive, freeing up storage space while keeping the cloud organized. Here's how to remove files from OneDrive with your computer. Go to File Explorer Windows or Finder Mac. Select your OneDrive folder, choose which files you want to delete, and press the Delete key or right-click on them and select Delete. Files will be placed in the Recycle bin Windows or Trash in Mac. Files can be recovered from OneDrive Recycle bin within 30 days. Here's how to remove files from OneDrive, but not your computer. Open two File Explorer or Finder windows. Moving files from the OneDrive folder to a local folder. Files disappear from the OneDrive folder, but remain inside OneDrive Recycle bin. Deletion of OneDrive files from your computer. Open the local folder in which the files are located. Right-click the file and select Free Up Space. This will remove the file from computer storage, but it remains on OneDrive. Here's how to use the OneDrive web page. Sign in to the OneDrive web page, navigate to and select Files for deletion. Use the three-dot icon and select Delete. Removing files from OneDrive mobile app. Open the app and tap on Files. Select File to delete and tap the three dots at the right and tap Delete. Here are some tips on managing OneDrive storage. Go through files that are stored occasionally. Delete unwanted files and make use of OneDrive file recovery feature.